guys, it's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the part 1 of my sewing shopping haul of all the things that I have bought recently. Let's just get into it. And these are my first. It is from the CosturaSecretShop of Etsy. I'm going to put the link down below, and it's also on Instagram because she's very active over there as well. This is quality. It isn't the first time I bought from them. I want to show you these two. So I actually bought some red stretch lace, and it is called Red La Mosquita. I bought 1 meter, and out of this 1 meter I could definitely make a panty. I could even squeeze a bra out of this, but we'll see. And I bought an aqua blue, aqua blue or turquoise, that's how they call it on when you search for it. And it's also a stretch lace, and it has a little bit of gloss or a little bit of, yeah, like a metallic stitching, which is also nice. QueenLaceStudio, also from Etsy. I bought 2 meters from this, but I really like, I was showing you the back side. This is the front side. Is this one right here. This is from BodilsWear. They are on Instagram. I really love this one. This is so cute. So this is a black and white, also stretch lace. These are all good for panties as well as for bras, as well as for bodysuit. Just depends what you want to use it for. It has the stretch, and it has, I think, it looks like it has some butterflies and flowers on it. But I really like the color. I bought 2 meters. Out of 2 meters, I could definitely get 2 panties and 1 bra out of the 2 meters. The last lace that I bought is this one right here. It's really nice. It is a stretch lace, and I bought 2 meters, and I bought this one from Fashion Studio. This one is located in UK, Sweden, Latvia, and these are from Spain. It didn't take a very long time for them to reach, but of course it took a little longer than usual because of Rona roaming the streets. I also bought 2 patterns. I'm going to put the pattern from Madeline right here so you guys can see. So I bought the Lawren Bodysuit, and then I got the Maris panties and bralette as a free pattern. She's very active on Instagram. She has a YouTube page, so just go check it out. And I partook in the Sew Your View challenge of November 2020, and they had Miss Mimi G on there, featured on there. So what I did was, at naipatronen.nl, I bought Mimi G style S9186, and I made this coat for the challenge. I'm going to have a designated video for this one. Oh, and the last thing that I wanted to mention that on this video is I bought from Prem adhesive, spray adhesive, for when I'm working with lace and mesh fabric. They can be very slippery, and then this is just easier. It's a temporary adhesive, so I would be able to sew much easier. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video, and as always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid, comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey, and you have a great day. Bye!